So please welcome Group A, all of Group A. That's lined up on the stage. All of Group A, all of the Group A teams line up on stage. Is that all Group A? Group A? We got all of Group A? Alright, we got Group A dancing competition competitors up on the stage. Let me hear you make some noise for Group A! Coming to the stage for 6th place, pageant coordinator Amy Yang. Can you please come out to the stage and give out the 6th place winner? This is our pageant coordinator, Amy Yang. All right, girls. When we call out the 6th place winner, everybody raise their hand and jump, okay?
Are you guys ready? Okay, in 6th place, we have Rubi.
Raise your hand. Oh yeah, let's make some noise for Rubi! Congratulations, Rubi!
Congratulations!
Astoria Lamar, Kichi, the 5th place winner. Can we please get the singing competition coordinator, Dorky Vu? Dorky Vu, can you come up on the stage? Okay, when we call your name, please raise your hand and jump up and down. Coming in 5th place for Group A.
Oh, if you guys can get back in a straight line, and then we're gonna go ahead and call really quick, okay? Perfect. In 5th place for Group A, we have Iridescent Eyes.
Congratulations, Iridescent Eyes.
Iridescent Eyes, Pichina.
Okay, for 4th place, coming on stage to give out the 4th place winner, the United Hmong Family Office Manager, Rose Jones. All right, ladies, Group A, when we call your name for the 4th place winner, I want y'all to raise your hand and let it be known that you are the winner. So coming in 4th place for Group A, let me hear you make some noise for Rainbow!
Congratulations! Rainbow, you're back in. So louder.
And for third place, and to give out the third place winning award, can I get the dance and cultural engagement, Danielle Lowe? The dance and cultural engagement, Danielle Lowe. All right, Group A, when we call your name, I want you to raise your hand and let it be known that you are the third place winner. So everybody get ready. Let them know, Paula.
In third place for Group A, we have Skylite!
Congratulations, Skylite! You are the third place winner for 2025 dance competition in Minnesota. Congratulations! All right, and now for the second place winner, and giving out the second place. Can we get one of the top Hmong female artists in the whole wide world? Can we get the beautiful and talented Chi-Y-Yang? All right, Group A, when we call your name for the second place winner, I want you to raise your hand and get hype and let it be known. And for second place for Group A, let me hear you make some noise for Astoria! Congratulations, Astoria, for winning second place in the 2025 dance competition in Minnesota. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready for the first place winner. So let's get ready to get hyped. And the person that's going to give out the first place trophy, can we get Dr. Mulan Vang on the stage? Dr. Mulan Vang is here on the stage. So for the first place, Group A, on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations to Oasis for winning first place for Group A.
Congratulations, Oasis, for winning first place in the 2025 dance competition in Minnesota, New Year. Can we get the first, second, and third place to line up together for a photo opportunity? So everybody else, can you please exit on the stage to my right? So thank you for coming out and competing. Come back next year and compete once again. Thank you so much for coming out and competing in the 2025 dance competition in Minnesota.
All right, so really quick, we would like to have Astoria, Skylite, and Oasis, if you can stay on the stage for a quick group photo. Our top 3 teams.
Can we please have everybody get off the stage except for the first, second, and third place, please?
So you guys can follow me this way. All right. All right, teams, let's go this way. Everybody's gonna slowly walk off the stage.
See what I told you?
Congratulations to the first, second, and third place winner for Group A. Congratulations. Let me hear you make some noise for the top 3 winners. này cần gì ở cho nên qua chỉ từ cho bê mô mình sống là lúc chết biết cho tất cả chỉ từ nào tất cả chỉ từ là một ngày ở trong từng đời cho nên cái này cần gì và chắc chắn này thế đáng cho nên cái này của thân thế này có phong là một có tất cả chỉ từ cho bê mô mình sống là lúc chết biết cho nào ở trong từng đời. Congratulations once again. Can we please get Group B to be ready? Yes. Can we please get Group B to get ready to get on stage? Group B, please get ready to get on stage.
Cô trả lời có ý mong đến đấy nó gìฉันnói gì lỡ gì emotions gì shit hết thì this shit hết so we're all very excited for you. Okay, so who be back group? We lost our Shatenadi be back group evening. You all can make your way to the left side of the stage, and we're gonna have our group B back up here. I know you all will still want to take photos.
Thank you so much, Group A. Thank you so much for coming out, competing. Can we please have you exit the stage so we can set the stage for Group B? Thank you so much for coming out and competing.
Congratulations.